Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Reddit. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over here, type down reddit.com and enter it after you're done. And after that, the official homepage of the Reddit will appear. What you have to do is on the top right corner, here we can see the login option. Select that. And after here, you are required for a username or email and your password. Simply fill up this form and your password as well. After that, click on the login option on the bottom and then you'll be successfully logged into your Reddit account. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, then click in this option that says forgot password in order to recover or reset. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.